Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to UTECHPIA. Today we're looking at the Avery 5877 business cards. These are business card stock that you can use to print your own business cards at home. And why would you want to do this? Well, for customization, you can make every business card unique and different, or you can make business cards whenever you need. For example, I need my business cards by tomorrow morning. And to get business cards done professionally in less than 24 hours is very expensive. So I picked up a pack of these on Amazon and got them delivered the same day. Link is in the description below. And now I can make my own business cards in the comfort of my own home. And that's awesome. So these are the clean edge white business cards. And what makes them so special is that you get this super professional looking clean edge. It looks exactly like a professional business cards you would buy from a printing press. With this package, there's 400 cards. So let's look at some of the features. You can print on the front and on the back of the cards, and you can fold them to snap out the cards so they look really smooth, the edges that is. So I'm excited about this. You can print calendars, lists of services, appointment reminders, maps, coupons, save the dates, hours of operation, price lists, loyalty cards, anything. And you can make them customizable however you want. It comes with templates. You can design, print, and save them on the cloud. You can do them online. You can do them offline. You can do them on a tablet. They got everything figured out for you. They got 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you're not happy, they will replace the product for you. Again, this is the one I bought for my laser printer. Just note that if you have an inkjet printer, you might want to buy the inkjet version. So let's open up the package and let's see what we got. Carefully opening up the package. So inside, we got some instructions. Just very simple instructions, just 4 steps. Number 1 is go to avery.com/print. Number 2 is design using a template number of this product. And for this particular product, we're going to use 5877. And next is we're going to test print on plain paper so we don't waste the high quality paper stock. And lastly, change printer setting to the best quality and paper type to cardstock or heavyweight paper and print. Let's take a quick look at some of these cards. Oh man, the quality is nice. These are nice. Wow. I can't wait to see my business cards printed on this. And yep, you can tear them out. It looks like they're gonna pop out really easy too. I'm not gonna try to pop them out now. Here's the back side, here's the front side. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go online and design our business cards. Alright, so we are at the Avery website and we're gonna enter 5877, which is our product. And wow, came right up. We'll select that. We'll go ahead and we can start designing, upload design, or let us print it for you. Well, I have my design, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. Let's go ahead, david@utechpia.com. Alright, so we go ahead and register, create the account. Okay, we can either design the business cards this way or we can do it this way. And then this one is wide and prints on both sides. So we want this one. Let's go ahead and select our front design. We'll have UTECHPIA on one side and that looks pretty good. Alright, let's move to the back side. We'll put most epic toys on the back side. And that looks pretty good too. There's definitely a lot of space on the side that I can improve on. I think I would be able to just crop them in really tight. So actually, let me do that. So we're in Photoshop right now, and as you see, there's a lot of space on the side here that is necessary for the template I used previously with Vistaprint. But for the Avery template that we want to use, let's maximize our space by using as little space on the side as possible. That way our business card is nice and big and in your face. So let's go ahead and crop it out like this. We'll save that. We'll do the same thing to most epic toys. Make sure we get a nice clean crop here. Boom! That looks good. Let's go ahead and re-upload these and see if it looks any better. Okay, so I'll quickly crop the design. Let's go ahead and let's upload the new crop design. Let's see how it looks. I'll put it here. Let's see if we can utilize more of the space on the card. Oh yeah, that definitely looks better. It fits the card much better. Okay, perfect. And then we'll do the same thing for this guy. Upload the cropped version. Perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the design. And yep, we want all the cards front and back just like this. And we'll do a test print first. Those are the fronts, these are the back. Oh yeah, this is gonna look really cool. All right, let's preview and print. Wow, check that out. That's the front, that's the back. Well, for me, they're both the front. But anyway, let's go ahead and select print it myself. Front and back. So we'll go ahead and print now. We'll save the design. We'll save it as UTECHPIA plus most epic toys. We'll save to our account. Yeah. Okay. So it creates a PDF file for us. Let's go ahead and download it. Nice. So it's just like a PDF and we can just print the PDF. We're gonna go ahead and print using regular paper. We'll print on 2 sides and let's go ahead and click print. And here's our test print. Oh yeah, these look great. We got the UTECHPIA ones in the front and we got the most epic toy cards in the back. So the test print turned out great. We have our card stock in the machine now. We're gonna go ahead and print our real business cards. Let's do this. Awesome! Look at that, we got our business cards. We got a little bit of ink smearing, and that's probably because my printer has some ink issues. But let's see how these cards turned out. Let's look at it in a closer perspective. So the first time we printed it, it didn't turn out so well. As you can see, there's some ink smearing right here. It gets worse as it goes down the page, and this last one just looks terrible. And same with the back logo. You got a lot of ink smearing here, and it just very inconsistent, and it looks pretty bad. And I was disappointed at the results until I realized I forgot to set the paper quality to high quality. So the previous print didn't turn out so well, and mainly because the printer printed too fast and it didn't clean itself before I printed the next page. To fix that, we're gonna go ahead and go to paper quality, and it's currently set to unspecified. We're gonna change that to card glossy. Just any of the glossy should really work, because what glossy means is the printer needs to slow down and let the toner or ink kind of dry before proceeding. So that made all the difference. So make sure you select some high gloss media type. That way you get the best quality print, which is what Avery said in the instructions originally, but I forgot about it. And after changing the media type to glossy, the results were perfect. I was really happy with how everything turned out. And this is what it looks like when we change the paper quality to card glossy. And it looks perfect. Every one of the cards look really good all the way to the bottom. And even with the toy logo, where there's a lot of colors and graphics, it turned out perfectly. And I was really impressed. And the reason why it looks much better when you use card glossy is because it prints much slower and it cleans the roller really well before and after each print. So let's go ahead and remove the cards. So the instructions here just says fold inwards. So we'll just fold inwards like this. Oh, they come right off. Very nice. And I guess, yeah, we'll just fold down here too. Oh wow, they just fall right off. The preparation is really nice. No, that part came out easy. Top part, maybe not as easy. Oh, there we go. You just gotta fold it back and forth and they pop out super crispy. So right here, I'm just gonna fold this way. Oh yeah, pops right out. Same with the bottom part here. Lovely. Let's fold out, take out each card. Nice, look at that. Oh, perfect. Very crisp cards. Finish up here. This is like a dream to be able to print these cards right from my own printer at home. And it looks so good. Look at that. Now we get a whole bunch of business cards. You cannot tell this was printed at home on a sheet like this and popped out with clean edges like this. These are super, super clean edges. You cannot tell this was perforated and removed. This is perfect. I love these cards. Wow, I'm so impressed. These are amazing. I highly recommend this business card stock. If you guys want to print your own business cards, this is perfect. You can print like 10 cards if you want to start out. You want to test out your design, print out a few cards, see how you like them. Or maybe you're a photographer and you want to have like a whole stack of different cards. One card featuring like a different wedding as a photographer or different scenes. So you can pick which card you give out to which person. Oh wow, the options are endless. Something like that you wouldn't be able to easily print at a store because they'll make you print a large number of each design. Whereas here, you can change your design and have 10 cards of one design, another 10 cards of a different design. So you can have 100 cards and you have 10 different designs. And that's awesome. Let's look at a close-up of the card here. Yes, this edge, really smooth. I mean, you cannot tell this was a perforated edge that snapped off a cardstock. It looks fantastic. These cards come out a little bit curved, and I don't think that's a problem because that's really easy to fix. So you see how it's curved now. We're just gonna bend it back the other way. Now look, the cards are all nice and straight, and they look good. So another test I want to do is to dip this card into water and see if the ink smears. Of course, the ink smearing is part of whether your printer has water resisting ink or not, but nonetheless for my printer, which is the HP 460DW, using generic printer ink from Hong Kong, super cheap, and it looks to be very, very water resistant. In fact, I would say it's perfect. It doesn't smear at all in water. So there we have it. Really cool business cards. Yeah, it doesn't smear. It's good. This is great. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. And also, if you haven't done so already, please remember to support this channel by subscribing to UTECHPIA, as well as my newest channel, Most Epic Toys. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey! Hello? Are you still there? Oh, there you are. I see you. Thanks for sticking around. Well, if you want to see more videos, check out these. And yeah, these are pretty interesting videos. I hope you like them. And thanks again for watching. I totally appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Well, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye.